Welcome back to Kitchendaze, where we explore beautiful kitchen designs that inspire timeless living. Today, we're stepping into the refined world of Victorian kitchen decor, a style that celebrates elegance, craftsmanship, and historic luxury in every detail. Victorian kitchens combine rich materials, intricate ornamentation, and noble design elements that transform everyday spaces into grand culinary retreats. From decorative cabinetry to luxurious finishes, these interiors capture the sophistication of a bygone era while remaining inviting and functional. Before we begin, please subscribe to Kitchendaze, give this video a like, and share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to know which Victorian-inspired feature you would bring into your own kitchen. One of the defining features of Victorian kitchen decor is the presence of richly detailed cabinetry. Crafted from hardwoods such as oak, walnut, or mahogany, these cabinets often showcase carved panels, decorative moldings, and elegant crown details that highlight exceptional craftsmanship. Glass front cabinets and display cupboards were commonly used to showcase fine china, crystal, and treasured kitchenware. These display elements add visual depth while reinforcing the sense of refinement associated with Victorian interiors. The intricate woodwork found throughout Victorian kitchens creates a feeling of permanence and luxury. Every carved detail contributes to a space that feels both stately and welcoming, offering a sense of historic grandeur rarely found in modern minimalist design. Victorian kitchens often embrace deep, sophisticated color schemes inspired by nature and aristocratic interiors. Rich burgundy, forest green, navy blue, and warm cream tones create a layered and elegant atmosphere throughout the space. These colors are frequently paired with luxurious finishes such as polished wood, marble countertops, and decorative tile work. The combination of textures and materials brings visual richness while enhancing the room's historic character. Metallic accents in brass, copper, and antique gold further elevate the design. Whether featured on cabinet hardware, faucets, or decorative accessories, these finishes add warmth and a sense of noble sophistication. Lighting plays a central role in Victorian-inspired kitchens. Chandeliers, pendant lights, and decorative sconces often serve as focal points, showcasing intricate metalwork, crystal embellishments, and timeless elegance. These lighting fixtures do more than illuminate the space. They contribute to the overall ambience. Soft, warm lighting highlights architectural details and creates a welcoming environment reminiscent of historic manor homes. Decorative details such as ceiling medallions, ornate corbels, and carved trim add layers of visual interest. These embellishments reflect the Victorian appreciation for artistry and demonstrate how small details can dramatically elevate a room's character. Victorian kitchens often incorporate furniture-like elements that blur the line between utility and elegance. Freestanding islands, antique sideboards, and decorative hutches contribute both storage and visual charm. A large central table frequently serves as the heart of the kitchen, providing space for meal preparation, family gatherings, and social conversation. These substantial furnishings reinforce the welcoming and communal nature of Victorian homes. The emphasis on quality craftsmanship ensures that every piece feels substantial and enduring. Functional luxury becomes a defining theme, where beauty and practicality coexist seamlessly throughout the space. Victorian kitchens are enhanced by carefully selected accessories that celebrate history and tradition. Decorative ceramics, copper cookware, vintage clocks, and elegant serving pieces help create an authentic period-inspired atmosphere. Architectural features such as arched doorways, decorative ceiling treatments, and detailed window casings add depth and sophistication. These elements establish a strong sense of place and reinforce the home's historic identity. Even small additions such as patterned curtains, floral arrangements, and antique-inspired hardware contribute to the overall narrative. Together, these thoughtful touches transform an ordinary kitchen into a space rich with character and timeless appeal. Victorian kitchen decor offers a beautiful blend of noble elegance, intricate craftsmanship, and enduring luxury. Through ornate woodwork, rich colors, statement lighting, and historic details, this design style creates kitchens that feel both majestic and inviting. Whether you're planning a complete renovation or simply seeking inspiration, Victorian design provides countless ways to introduce sophistication and warmth into your home. Its timeless beauty continues to captivate homeowners who appreciate classic elegance and exceptional craftsmanship. Thank you for joining us on Kitchendaze. If you enjoyed this tour of Victorian kitchen decor, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and leave a comment below sharing your favorite Victorian design feature. We look forward to seeing you in our next home inspiration journey.